I'm here today as a concerned citizen. I'm concerned because as many of the people in this room on both sides of the aisle that are talking, our community faces great challenges and we also have great opportunity. We have been forged by floods, fires, and the Great Recession. Tens of thousands of our fellow citizens are out of work and unable to provide for their families and dependent on social services for their survival, especially in your district. We have been negligent for far too many years and neglected our roads, our bridges, our stormwater infrastructure. Due to a lack of long-term planning, our community does not have the urban density needed to provide cost-effective services to our citizens. We have, to our own peril, taken too lightly the importance of our military in our local economy. In short, we have neglected what should have been our most important to us, the future of our community. At the same time, our city is on the precipice of greatness. I have seen countless leaders and volunteers stepping up all over our community. In some areas, it is the same people who have done so for generations, but I see around the community a new generation of leaders who are stepping up and leaning in. With their help, we have the opportunity to realize our community's full promise. We need to tackle the big issues. We need to do so as adults. We need to address stormwater, the Drake Power Plant, and prepare our military institutions for base realignment, which we all know is coming. As we emerge from the Great Recession, we have the opportunity to create a world-class center of innovation and entrepreneurialism, a children's museum, a new Air Force Academy Visitor Center, a hub for sports and medical tourism, and an Olympic Hall of Fame and sports complex. We must work together to build an education system so that it can create a first-in-class, demand-side driven workforce. We need to plan strategically to grow our community so that we can provide high-quality civic services to our citizens. These are issues that our community cares about. These are issues that will attract companies and jobs. These are issues that will build a solid tax base. Private property rights serve as the cornerstone of both democracy and capitalism. I believe that eminent domain should only be used in extreme circumstances. It is my belief that this ordinance is simply too extreme and removes key tools from our toolbox as we look at our economic development in the future. Now is the time to double down our focus on building our community for the future generations and live up to our responsibilities as citizens.